You will now access your ELA class on Canvas. If you don't know how to do that, here are your directions. We are going to start from the Cumberland County homepage, ccs.k12.nc.us. You will scroll all the way to the bottom of that page, and you will click on Home-Based Login. Now that we are on our Rapid Identity, you are going to click on this red wheel that says Canvas. Once you're in your Canvas, you should see Math, Science, Social Studies, and ELA. Click on your ELA class. Your page should look like this. And we have a live lesson link right down here. You are going to click on that in order to join your live lessons on your synchronous lesson days. In addition to that, we have our daily attendance link. You will fill this out every day, Monday through Friday. All you need to do is click on that, and it takes you to where you need to go. You can find your lessons for the week and all of your work in their modules. You click on the modules over here on the left-hand side, and you can see the dates. And then underneath that, you have some weekly activities in terms of your weekly assignment checklist, information about our text of the week. And then you have each day has a page header with your goals and objectives for that day and a daily agenda. You can click Next. Once you click Next, it's going to take you back to your modules page, and you can see that everything that is nested under that day is an assignment or something you are supposed to accomplish in that day. So each day of the week has a day and all the assignments underneath that. Please join us in class if you have been missing your live classes. You join using this live lesson link. I'll see you in class.